Severed this early in the evening.
No, we have to walk all the way back. Like nothing. No, it doesn't.
And all right, here we go. As we get underway, a few rules for your safety and your comfort while you're on board the tram. Take a look at your screens. Okay, we're having a little technical difficulty here.
Good evening. My name is Megan, and I'd like to welcome you on board the Terror Tram. Great job. Terror. That implies someone or something that inspires fear. I guess that's me. We'll be underway in just a second, but before we depart, I need to go over some rules for your safety and comfort. Please remain seated at all times while the tram is in motion, keeping arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Did you know 30% of accidental amputations can be attributed to people sticking their arms out of moving vehicles? Just a fun fact. If you have any small children with you tonight, I really have to question your parenting choices. Please make sure that they are seated towards the center of the aisle, away from the tram gates. If you have an emergency of any kind, please pull the red emergency cord overhead, and I'll be back to assassinate you. Assist you. Have a great time, everyone. Surprise.
Okay, well, it looks like Megan has hacked into our computer system, and you know, for a global technology company, you'd think that we would have a little better cybersecurity. Now, Megan has also hijacked the tram. We are no longer in control. And it does get worse. Megan isn't alone. She scanned the neurotransmitters of every person on board, and she knows exactly what you're afraid of. She's cooked up some serious Blumhouse nightmare fuel. Take a look at your screens.
Cute, creepy dude in a mask.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Just remember how good the purge does.
You don't actually believe that story, do you?
After tonight, nothing will ever be the same again.
Don't make me drink alone. Remember that time you tried to leave us without saying goodbye? Someone's coming for you.
Did you think our story was over?
You should probably run.
Welcome back. Are you ready to start the show?
Hi, me again. Just one more thing. This is as far as the tram is gonna take you. That's right, people. You're gonna have to get out and walk, which is really good for your cardiovascular system, but not so good for your chances of survival. I calculate that at 0.00.
What are you?
I'm Megan. Have a nice life. what's left of it. Bye. Adios. Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen. Ciao.
All right, folks. Well, the crazy robot is right. This is as far as we can take you. We'll get stopped here. Gates will be opening up on the left. Watch your step when you exit. Make sure you have all your personal belongings. Try and,
Watch your heads, folks!
Miss me? Bitch is back.
This is more than a dream. This is a place I'm going to. Out of Hades. This like the cold. Nothing burns like the cold. Nothing burns like the cold. Nothing burns like the cold. Hell is not a place. Nothing burns like the cold. Nothing burns like the cold. Hell's not flames, it's ice. Hell is not flames, it's ice. You want to see a magic trick? Look what you made me do. 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 Look what you made me do.
The further is a dark realm, filled with the tortured souls of the dead, and some are doomed to make the worst mistakes of their lives over and over and over for all eternity.
He's got your baby. He's got your baby. He's got your baby. He's got your baby.
They opened the gate too early.
The body and the blood.
I don't know.
Yeah, let's go.
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
Let's get this party started. You're a little late to the party, Cupcake. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die.
Hello, welcome. Couple more open seats. Join us. Gates are coming down. Please watch your fingers, watch your toes, watch your heads if you're outside. We will be on our way.
So far, so good.
All right, lights are off. We're gonna be heading out. Hope you enjoyed going through all those different Blumhouse franchises out there. I can't believe that it's been around for 15 years. That's crazy. Well, Blumhouse is continuing to cook up new nightmare fuel each and every year. And we actually have a new film from them coming out just next month, Black Phone 2.